Okay, so it's time to begin. Are you ready? Because do know that this is actually the easiest thing in existence. Meditation is the most natural, stateless state that we have, because it is whatever is left when all other states and emotions take a break. And so you do not need anything in order to meditate. You do not need to learn anything. You do not need to understand anything. You do not need to remember anything, because it's right here, right now. You cannot meditate yesterday, and you cannot meditate tomorrow. Meditation happens right now. And so whatever you would have had to remember will have to go for you to actually meditate. So whatever knowledge you would have to have about meditation, you would have to let go in order to meditate. You get it? Because if you're thinking about something, thinking about knowledge, then you're thinking about that. You're not meditating. You're not here. You're not aware right now. And so whatever it is you have learned about meditation before, if you have learned anything, whatever thoughts you have about meditation, whatever you think you know about meditation, it must all be let go of in order to actually meditate. So trying to meditate is like lifting weights and trying to not lift weights. Trying to meditate is like walking in the search of standing still. So just be here. Take a deep breath. And let us dive right into it.